Let's turn to some economy-related news now, and as widely expected, South Korea's central bank has kept its key rate steady after a monetary policy meeting earlier today. Hyesung with the details.
The Bank of Korea on Friday kept its benchmark interest rate unchanged at 1.75%. In a vote of 6-1, the 7-member Monetary Policy Board decided to freeze the rate for the fourth straight meeting, keeping a wait-and-see stance since last November.
Since April, the pace of global economic growth has continued to slow, including growth in China, Japan, and Europe. Volatility in the global financial markets has increased amid rising U.S. China trade tensions. Stocks in major countries have fallen, while the currencies of emerging economies have depreciated substantially.
On slowing global demand, exports, a key driver of South Korea's domestic growth, have fallen for 5 straight months since December on slowing global demand. For the first 20 days in May, exports tumbled 12% on year, and chip sector shipments are heading for a 6th straight month of decline after plunging 22%. Falling exports and investment caused GDP growth to contract 0.3% in the first quarter, the worst quarterly figures since the 2008 global financial crisis. Headline inflation remained at around 0.5% through April, lower than the central bank's 2% target.
Despite sluggish domestic economic data, the bank held rates due to growing financial market volatility. The South Korean won has depreciated rapidly in recent months. A cut in interest rates could further drive down the value of the won, resulting in a capital outflow. The central bank will likely wait until second quarter economic indicators come out before changing rates.
At the same time, household debt, which has seen its growth slow in recent months, is still the size of Korea's GDP of $1.3 trillion, another reason why the BOK opted to keep rates unchanged. The Bank of Korea said it will maintain its accommodative monetary policy stance to support the domestic economy, and added that it will closely monitor the U.S. China trade dispute as well as paying close attention to the country's financial stability. Hyesung, Arirang News.